Day is shorter and night is longer. Life feeling sick, sleep not get better. Eyes turn red and head is quite aching. Body is so weak, heart fast palpitating. The sky is dark and stars are twinkling. Wall in deep silence, birds are cheeping. Wind stopped blowing and heat is burning. Night is all hell,
No, I messed up
new
with the
dawn
lyrics.
starts arriving. The sky turns blue and darkness leaving. Morning sun shine, people are waking. New days begins and night is departing. Streets are busy, crowd starts moving. Curtains are parting, windows are opening. Shop shutters are off, the sale is starting. Yesterday is gone and new day is coming. Fresh life is peeping, new thoughts provoking. New dawn is hope, new life is promising. Ill feelings are gone, smartness following. New battle to face and life is challenging. Life that never gives up, the fight is winning. So I have another point
Woo!
for you.
Awesome, awesome.
And this point is entitled The Song of My Soul. This also relates to my personal life. My distressful life that live alone in solitude, with nobody there around my life to console. Painful thoughts keep blowing off my mind. Darkness life conceals my every sunshine. I look all around with my eyes full of tear. Frustrated life wandering with none to share. Dead feelings shun all high hopes in my life, but my very soul never stopped to sing alive. My soul, how melancholic is your melody. Every line in your song is my pathetic story. Amidst pain, I'm still dancing in your tune, to ignore for a while all my life fortunes. My soul, I find solace when you sing me a song. It ease completely my burdens that all live along. Tune my complicated life chords better to its best. Help me sing along my splendid song of happiness. Thank you so much for your listening.
Awesome.
Thank you.